At Monzone, we understand and respect customers' budgets when it comes to investing in a new refrigerated truck. Our insulated containers are designed to meet your specific requirements while staying within your budget. We offer solutions in gold, silver and bronze grades, so you can choose the option that best suits your needs. Our commitment is simple: to deliver products and services that consistently meet or even exceed your expectations. We are here to support you every step of the way. If you are looking for reliable temperature control solutions, Monzone has you covered.